Hey everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're doing honey cashew chicken using our limited edition 3-quart wok. Check this out. We're gonna start by preheating our 3-quart wok on medium heat, and then we're gonna add our chicken. We'll cook this for 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's time to make our sauce. We'll be using 6 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. For a full list of the ingredients and the recipe, please check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, add us on Facebook at Neolife Leads. Give this a good mix. We're gonna evenly pour the sauce onto our chicken. Put the lid on and we're gonna cook for another 5 minutes. Now we're gonna add our cashew nuts. And we're gonna put the lid on, let the sauce thicken for 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's time to add our red pepper and our broccoli. You can also add salt and pepper here. For the broccoli, we use tender stem and cut them in half. We'll be cooking this for 3 minutes, and you're ready to go. Look at how vibrant the colors are. It looks so delicious. To find out how to get your limited edition 3-quart wok, leave a comment down below or message us.